this? That's the Snake River. Look over there, it's Calabash. Coming through Calabash.
Well, this layout here is for the kids. A lot of the kids can come and look at all the rest, but this one here they can get their hands on and actually operate it. So, who wants to load the coal? Come on over.
Over there, you're gonna load the coal.
Come on over, push the big red button.
This one? Press that one.
Hold it down. Oh yeah.
Hey, that's probably enough coal for the winter, huh?
Now push the little red button. Yeah, push it so the kids can.
Yeah, we started about 4 years ago with one layout, and now it's grown to over 20, 25 layouts. And in 4 years, it's just amazing. Yeah, everybody's enjoying it.
So pretty good turnout this weekend?
So far, yes ma'am. It sure has been a good turnout.
That's great. And this is a fundraiser for the fire department?
It's a fundraiser. We just take donations. We don't charge any kind of admittance for anything. Just donations just come in, raffle tickets, pictures of Santa, just odds and ends you can pay for and help us out.
You got your bake sale?
Have a bake sale, yeah, it's been doing good. They're almost sold out. We've been into it about a day and a half.
That's amazing. And this is what is the name of the train club who takes part in this?
The train club is the Intercoastal Railroad Club, and that kind of formed off our first year here doing the train show.
Bunch of grown kids out of control. First year we started, we had about 350 people. Second year was about 700 people. Last year it was almost 1,000. This year, I'll be happy we go over 1,000.
Oh, we'll be over 1,000 this year.
Think?
Yeah, we're only about 600, 700.
Well, we had about 250, 4 or 5. Yeah, we're over 6.
Yeah.
We're almost 7. So that'll be good if tomorrow's a sunshiny day.
The club has a lot of benefit bringing back the old rural railroad and pastimes of older people.
Yeah.
Something that we have talked about doing, and that is there's a lot of fellows in the club with a lot of knowledge and a lot of expertise and a lot of talent. And we want to teach it to the kids because we learned all this stuff from playing with trains when we were kids, and that's where I first learned about electricity. Of course, I blew a lot of fuses, but hey, that's the way it goes. And we need to give some of this information to the kids because they don't get it in schools, and we like to do it firsthand. And if you get a slight shock, hey, that's the way it goes. You'll learn. Don't do that again. That would be a worthwhile project, and I'd like to see the kids get doing it. And the Cub Scouts looks like they're thinking about doing it. So that'll be good.
Yes, absolutely.